Hey everybody, Tech Guy Charlie here, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so if you've got an air conditioner from LG, you might have noticed this label which says Smart Diagnosis. So this is an awesome self-diagnosis feature of LG air conditioners, and this will show you quite a bit of information on your smartphone, such as the air intake temperature of the indoor and the outdoor units, compressor frequency, gas discharge temperature, and lastly it also shows the input voltage and current, and using this you can calculate how much power your air conditioner is using. Awesome, right? And this will also show you if the unit is operating normally or if there are any issues or any error codes. And you don't need a smart Wi-Fi connected air conditioner for this. It also works on non-smart ACs such as this one. Let me show you how to use this smart diagnosis feature. So the first thing you should do is check if your LG dual inverter air conditioner comes with this feature or not. All you have to do is look for the Smart Diagnosis logo. And secondly, the remote control will also have the diagnosis button. So the thing is, if you have purchased your air conditioner in the last 4 to 5 years, chances are that it's got the Smart Diagnosis feature. Okay, so once you have made sure that your LG air conditioner has the Smart Diagnosis feature, grab your Android smartphone, open the Google Play Store and search for the LG Smart Diagnosis app and install it on your smartphone. Then launch the app and just ignore this prompt and then select the type of air conditioner that you have got. We have a split wall-mounted system, so we are going to select wall-mounted AC. Now before you begin, you must stand near the air conditioner, and secondly, you must make sure that there is no ambient noise because the air conditioner uses sound to communicate with the app. So once everything is nice and quiet in your room, press the receive button in the Smart Diagnosis app. Then grab the remote and press and hold the button which says diagnosis for 5 seconds until the air conditioner starts beeping like this. So now it is transferring information to the smartphone. And once it is done, you will see some useful information on your smartphone. Let me try and explain what all of this actually means. Okay, so first we have information about the indoor unit. So this is the temperature of the air which is being sucked inside the indoor unit. So that means this is also the temperature of our room. And we can confirm this by comparing it with the room thermometer. Now there will be a little bit of difference because the air intake is near the ceiling, and because hot air rises up, it will collect near the ceiling. So a difference of 1 to 2 degrees is completely normal. Next, we have the middle pipe temperature. Now I believe this is the temperature of the evaporator coil. You see, there is a temperature sensor which is stuck to the coil right about here. You can't really see it in this picture, but it is there. And I believe that is the middle pipe temperature sensor. So in short, I think it is showing the temperature of the evaporator coil. Then we have the mode in which the air conditioner is operating. Right now it is in cool mode. And finally, the fan speed of the indoor unit. Now moving on to the parameters of the outdoor unit. First off, we have the air intake temperature. This is the temperature of the air which is being sucked in into the condenser, which also means that this is the temperature outside. And once again, we can confirm this on our weather station. Take a look. So it is indeed pretty hot outside, about 41.5 degrees Celsius. Then we have got the middle pipe temperature for the outdoor unit. I'm guessing this is the temperature of the condenser coil, which is pretty warm at 48.9, almost 49 degrees Celsius. But this is completely normal. This is the compressor discharge temperature. So this is the temperature of the gas coming out of the compressor and going into the condenser. This is the frequency at which the compressor is operating. This, being an inverter unit, has a variable frequency drive which adjusts the compressor RPM depending on the cooling requirements. This is the RPM for the condenser fan. Right now it is running at about 840 RPM. And finally, the input voltage and the current. And you can use this to calculate how much power your air conditioner is using. So 5.7 amps at 228 volts comes out to about 1300 watts. So the air conditioner was pulling about 1.3 kilowatts when we ran the diagnosis. Now you might have noticed that this particular model does not show the DC link voltage and the EEV pulse. But this one actually does. So here is a diagnosis report from the other air conditioner that I've got, and here you can see that it does actually show the EEV pulse and the DC link voltage. So it also depends on the model of air conditioner that you've got. Now I am not a refrigeration expert, but I think the EEV pulse has something to do with the electronic expansion valve and the DC link voltage with the power inverter. And I'm not gonna pretend that I actually know what these two values actually mean. So if anyone is a refrigeration expert, leave a comment down below and tell us what these two values actually mean. And finally, on the top, it will show you if the unit is operating normally or if there are any error codes. So yeah, this is the LG Smart Diagnosis app. Very useful for checking different parameters of your air conditioner and for diagnosing problems. So that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have found this video to be useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.